Derive first equation of motion by graphical method, or derive equation for velocity time relation. We have to find the relation between velocity and time. So first of all, we plot the graph between velocity and time, and let the graph is like this. This is the velocity axis and this is the time axis, and the graph is like this. At t equal to 0, the velocity is u, that is the initial velocity. After some time t, velocity becomes v, that is the final velocity. When you observe the straight line graph between velocity and time, I hope it is visible to all of you, the acceleration is constant. यानी ये तो आपको क्लियर हो गया कि acceleration throughout journey constant है. अब acceleration होता कैसे है? Acceleration is given by slope of velocity time graph, and we know slope is given by tan theta. So we make a right angle triangle. Let this is a right angle triangle, and we label it A, B and C. So acceleration is given by, this angle is theta, tan theta is given by perpendicular, that is AB, upon base is given by BC. What is the value of the AB? This distance is written as a V, this distance is written as a U, so AB is given by V minus U. BC, this distance is BC and this distance is also BC, because all of you know there is a rectangle and all these sides will be equal in front of each other. So BC equal to, you can say, this distance, and this distance is given to us t. So BC is given by t. So acceleration is given by V minus U upon t, cross product it, V minus U equal to AT, or V equal to U plus AT. So right answer of this, V equal to U plus AT.